Welcome to another video walk around. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2019 Dodge Caravan with some great exterior features, which include 17-inch wheels, a backup camera, and a power liftgate. Getting into the vehicle, we have our key with our unlock and lock, power windows, as well as a button for the power rear doors, black leather interior, and a rear DVD player. On your steering wheel, you have your phone and cruise controls. This Caravan has 73,000 kilometers. Over here, we have your radio, media, and navigation, as well as your backup camera. Here you have all of your climate controls with your heated seats and steering wheel, and then USB plugins. For easy access into the rear seats, there's a convenient button located on your key fob. Taking a look in, we have more black leather interior, as well as your DVD player and separate climate controls. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2019 Dodge Caravan with some great interior features, which include navigation, heated seats and steering wheel, as well as a rear DVD player. We are located on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.